The Quad Power Pier, developed and patent pending by A1 Concrete Leveling and Foundation Repair. The permanent solution to all your foundation problems. This is a typical example of foundation failure. Horizontal cracking of mortar joints. There can also be stair-step and vertical cracks. Misaligned windows and doors, interior cracking, and a multitude of other related problems. The foundation is excavated and piers are attached at strategic locations to ensure a proper lift. A bullet is inserted into the pier bracket and injected into the ground. When 10,000 pounds pressure is exerted against the bullet, it goes off. That may be at ground level or 50 feet. When the bullet fires, you are at refusal and ready to lift. The base of the bullet is filled with hydraulic cement, and a concrete footprint with over 28 square inches of surface area is created. Using a laser level to detect any movement, each jack is slowly pressurized and the foundation is lifted into place. When the foundation is lifted, the piers are locked off and filled with concrete, and the footer is grouted to fill any void created by the lift. The results are amazing. The depth of a ram, the area of a helical, and the strength of concrete encased in steel, plus the entire foundation grouted. All this makes for the most complete and structurally sound piering system in the marketplace today. The results speak for themselves.